It's almost been around 8 months since I had done my last trip. Now as I can see the lockdown unlocking slowly, my friends and I was thought of going for a quick one-day trek. Hey guys, I'm Vishal Devare. Hope you all are safe and doing good. Today I'm heading for Nakhind Ridge trek. The first base village for this trek is around 20 minutes far from Wangni if you are on your bike. The road is pretty good till Wangni, but it gets little rough moving forward. So we have reached Gadad, which is first base village for Nakhind Ridge. It was a feel-good feeling to be here after such a long lockdown. We parked our bike and started trekking towards the second base village, that is Baginichiwadi. The very famous Wangni Waterfall is very close by from here, but that's not where we are heading. According to many trekkers, the difficulty level of this trek is medium, but as I am trekking for the first time after a very long break, it felt little difficult. Monsoon is its in ending phase. It was very foggy all over. So we have reached the second base, that is Baginichiwadi. The path is well curved till Baginichiwadi, but moving forward it gets confusing. The grass was grown so high that we had to ask for help from the people at the base village. And without any hesitation, this uncle was very kind to us to show the initial route. And from there onwards, we took off on our own. We are in the second phase of this trek, which is twice as difficult than the previous one, and the stiffness made it hard to keep going. But after taking several rest breaks, we managed to reach the top. The peak of the mountain was completely covered by fog. In any other season, you would see the view of hills such as Matheran, Irshagad, Prabargad, Kalavantin Durga, Chanderi, Mahismar, Hajimalan, Navranavri and Tahuli. But unfortunately at this moment nothing is visible because of fog. Nakhind is noted for its gentle slope and the dense forest route. You can see how dense it is. Nakhind top is a narrow forest ridge running in the north-south direction. It has a natural rock peak with a cavity in it at the top, which called Nede or nozole, formed by some natural corrosion. We can go on the top of this rock, but it's very risky at this moment. So we decided to end our journey here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video among your trekker friends. Stay tuned, more travel videos are coming soon. See you in the next video.